Hello friends, welcome to Java 2D tutorial. Now you are watching part 3 of the subseries Grayscaling the image. So in the last video we created the dialog box. So to load an image, we declared buffered image in the class level. We saw this multiple times. So let me go through it quickly. This is the load button event handler. In the action performed, we load the same Coco image which we loaded in the previous videos. So here we use ImageIO.read. Then we retrieve the graphics2D using the getGraphics method, and then we will perform the draw image and we will do the image draw on this area. Let's go to the demo and quickly implement the load button handler. So this is the dialog we designed in the previous video. Now I am clicking this load btn load image and clicking on the show events, action performed. So before that, at a class level, we will declare a private member, a default member. If you want, you can keep it as a private. So imported java.awt. Then this is our action performed handler right here. We can add the piece of code which we already saw in the PowerPoint slide, importing all the required packages. Importing all the required packages. As usual, content panel should be above this line. So this will resolve the issue. IO exception is from java.io. Alright, now let's run this. We will load the image, and if you see, I hard coded it and the image is still there in a gtemp. So the image got loaded on the window, and next we will perform a manipulation. So when I resize, the image will not get displayed. That means you have to override the paint method, and in the paint method you have to draw the image, or simply copy this, because we need this PNG in hand, and override or implement method. Okay. Paint graphics G. Now let me run this. Graphics 2D. So the paint itself receives a graphics, so we'll convert that and we'll load the image. Now when I resize, nothing happens. Of course there is some flickering, but I no need to click load image again and again. Alright, that's all here. Thank you for watching. Bye.